Writing copy is neither a science nor an art. It is a craft. If you didn't know that, from today onwards, know that writing copy is neither science nor an art. It's a craft. And like any craft, the more you learn about your craft and the more you practice it, the better you become at it. So what's a good copy? A good copy is not necessarily the one that entertains. Actually, most entertaining copies don't work. Is it the one that's well produced? No, not necessarily. Is it the one that wins award? Most copies that win awards are not good copies. A good copy is a copy that sells. Period. A good copy is a copy that sells. That's it. So what's a good copy that sells? How does it look like? Is it the one that mentions the sponsor's name a certain number of times? No, not really. Is it the one that specifies the price of the product being sold or the service being sold? No. Or is it the one that lists the benefits of the product or service? No. Could it be the one that gives the client's phone number out a certain number of times? No. A copy that sells is a copy that motivates the customer or the client to take action. Period. The moment you have understood this, you will be an exceptionally good copywriter.